I need to bust a myth that it's easy to get your property back if the tenant doesn't pay the rent. I've made videos about it before, but I was contacted by a couple who were self-managing their property and the tenant wasn't paying the rent and things were getting very messy and complicated, and they asked for my help. I was happy to step in and assist, and we have been to tribunal, I think on 2 separate occasions. There were numerous payment plans set up to give this tenant a chance to resolve the situation, and it was repeated missed payments. It was constantly a challenge. And then yesterday we did have the actual eviction order, and the bailiff was on site to carry out that eviction order. And unfortunately, it did result in police being called, and it was a very lengthy, drawn-out process that took nearly 4 hours. While the locksmith is on site, the landlord is paying that bill. And so it's really just never that simple to get your property back when someone isn't paying the rent. So now the landlord is left still with thousands of dollars in rental arrears. And that's why it's important that if things go wrong with your investment property, particularly with rental payments, that these are actioned promptly. Because when it gets to this point, it's a very hard place to come back from.